I'm back with my animals. I wanted to really take a picture of a golden eagle. That looks awesome. What in the world? The dude's having a bad hair day. A Philippine eagle. The dude looks like it's Albert Einstein. Oh, a harpy eagle. That looks awesome. Who discovered the eagle and decided I'm gonna name it the Eagle? Black-chested snake eagle. Pretty cool. Are you a black-chested snake, Josh?
Yes.
I knew it. Let's see. Who named the eagle? How does it be called? No, I don't care about the national bird. Who decided the eagle's name?
Bert Bell. According to Team Name Origin, Bert Bell and Lud Ray bought the bankrupt Frankfurt Yellow Jackets in 1933, located their new franchise in Philadelphia, and decided on Eagles as their new moniker. Bell chose Eagles as a nod to the eagle symbol on the national...
It was talking about sports. Who named the bird eagle?
Here are some results from a search.
Who named the bird eagle?
These came back from a search.
Gosh. Stop trying to ruin my video.
I'm enhancing it.
No, you're not. Let's see. A bald eagle, bird of prey, blah, 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 blah. Back to the birds. A walted jacana. Crab plover. Pied out. I can't read half these animal names. Jeez. A brown squaw! It's a brown squaw! Huh. Snowy sheath bill. The great snipe. The pads on the counter. This thing looks cool and oddly weird. Atlantic puffin. You know what? Pokemon needs to just look through this book and they'll find a lot of awesome... Ooh, freaky owls. A lot of awesome Pokemon. Let's see, we already got 2. We got a bunch of owls. We don't need any more. Night jars and formulas. Ooh. Did they have a hummingbird Pokemon? Yeah, Fletchling. Fletchling's a hummingbird. What in the world are you? Booted rocket tail. Oh, cool. Crimson toad. Oh, that's a fire Pokemon right there. That's a grass bird right there. That's a weird bird. The little holes. Squish them in.
Ah. I did not know that.
Australian owlet nightjar. Who thinks of these names? Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful bird. And that can be a normal type Pokemon. Oh, that's an amazing picture. Let's get a better shot of it. Look at that. It's like I'm looking at birds and Josh is over here cleaning.
At least I do something around here.
I do things around here. Jamaican toady. White-fronted bee eater. Interesting. What can I give to be a photographer for this? Oh, Toucan Sam! White-beared piculet? 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 Do you understand the words that are coming to me? Sock it to me, sock it to me. Ooh, falcons. Okay, are these in Florida somewhere? No, you're not in Florida. Okay, you're not in Florida either. Common Crestal. Yeah, you're in Florida. There's some in Tennessee. Oh, well, that's an American Crestal. This is a common Crestal. Come on, there has to be some falcon somewhere. And, oh. It's Gothic. Josh, look at the Gothic. This is a dark type Pokemon. It's a palm cockatoo.
Seems like he would hate himself.
This guy is like a fire electric type Pokemon because he's a little red and the yellow. What?
Ew.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Ew, and the sad thing is I did that like 2 days ago.
Well, because someone likes to shed.
I haven't shedded since I got a haircut. Ooh, pretty. I think I have like ADD or something. I'm like, ooh. Oh my gosh, grass type. New Zealand Warrens. Ooh, that's a water type right there. That's an ugly type right there. Okay, just imagine a water bird. I mean, they got a firebird. They got a, well, I mean, they got... Oh, yeah, they do have water bird. They have Pelipper.
Dirt.
Shut up.
Dirt.
There's like 1,000 of them. I forget half the time. They need an electric bird. Never mind. Zapdos. Okay, they need a common electric bird. Like that guy turning into an electric type. Instead of freaking Zapdos all the time. Do they have another electric bird other than Zapdos? No. Or I could be wrong and I'm stupid right now. True Screeks.
Yes.
I will Google it.
What?
Electric type bird.
No, like agreeing with you said. I could be just stupid. I'm like, yeah.
Oh, you're agreeing with my stupidity.
Yeah.
Electric bird Pokemon. It's gonna pop up Zapdos.
Here's what I found on the web.
Electric bird Pokemon.
Zapdos.
Yep.
According to Pokemon, the official
Shut
Pokemon
up.
website.
Yeah, we need more electric type birds. The electricity bird. Oh, a Swallow. Can you just imagine the Pokemon creators like in his office like, oh, I need to look at my idea. I need to think of my ideas for the next Pokemon. Pulls out this book and just starts looking through it. Sunbirds. Sunbirds, yes. That could be a fire type. Ooh, reptiles. Snake. I think we have enough snakes, don't you think, in Pokemans?
Not really.
I don't know. Arbok, Ekans, Seviper. Is Snivy? Yeah, Snivy's a snake.
Snivy, yeah.
Snivy.
Well, yeah. Superior, yeah.
Snivy, Superior, and Servine are snakes. That's like 6 right there.
Yeah.
Wasn't there a new snake in this one? Oh, yeah.
It's the rock one.
Sandaconda, and then, the other one.
My Sandaconda don't. My Sandaconda don't. My Sandaconda don't want none.
No, it's just like your head is popping out, or your head's inside the computer, and Gordon Ramsay's head's outside the window.
Oh, perfect.
I know, right? Absolutely dreadful.
Dreadful. More pine saw.
We need a water snake. Wait, you consider Milotic a snake? Milotic. It goes from Feebas to Milotic?
Yeah, I mean, maybe. I mean, it has a snake-like body.
See, Ekans, Arbok,
But if you're gonna do that, you might
Seviper.
as well consider Gyarados because it has a snake-like body.
True. Ekans, Arbok, Seviper, Sandaconda, that Cobra thing. That's 5. Then Snivy, Servine, and then Superior. That's 8. I swear I'm missing one.
You might be.
Let me look. Snake Pokemon.
These pictures should match.
Let's see. Onyx is oh yeah, Onyx is a snake.
Rock snake, yeah.
I completely forgot about Onyx. Wow.
Yeah, I mean, no big deal. He's not like one of the first Pokemon ever.
Well, I just think of snake. I just think an actual snake.
Snake.
Dragonair is considered a snake Pokemon.
I mean, I guess. Snake-like body.
Yeah, I guess. What is the snake Pokemon called, really? Let's see. Oh, Sandacobra, Silicobra, and Sandaconda are the snake Pokemons.
Sandaconda.
Shut up. List of snake Pokemon. This video turned weird.
Here's a summary from Game Rant.
Okay,
15
don't
best snake Pokemon.
care. Let's see, I missed that? Okay, Arbok. Survivor, yes. Silicobra, yep. Ekans, Superior, Sandaconda. Gyarados, Milotic. Gyarados is considered a snake Pokemon? I guess now, I guess. I mean, this article could be wrong, too. Rayquaza, Onix, Steelix, Dratini, Dragonair. Oh, 15 best snake-like Pokemon.
Snake-like, yeah.
We need like a, let's see, I'm trying to think of a good snake. That's an amazing picture. Because, I mean, Ekans is just a regular snake. And then you got, Arbok, who is like a cobra. Seviper, I don't know who he is. I think a rattlesnake is he based off of. Oh, ooh, lizards. Oh, here's one, Josh. It's called the Thorny Devil.
That was my nickname in high school.
Shut up. I like this guy right here. It's the green iguana.
That was my nickname in middle school.
Shut up. If your lizard is green, then there's something wrong there.
If it's green, then it's mean.
Yeah, just that northern leaf-tailed gecko. Armadillo lizard, armadillo lizard. Josh, try and say this name. Viviparous
Viviparous lizard.
Viviparous lizard.
Viviparous lizard.
Viviparous lizard.
Viviparous lizard.
Viviparous lizard.
Viviparous.
I don't think that's how you say it.
I don't think so either.
I don't think so. Google Translate will tell me.
Vivacious lizard. I don't know. Bababoom lizard.
Viviparous.
Viviparous.
We're over here being stupid saying viviparous.
Well, we can't read. We got that edumacation. I guess I'll end this video here with the lizard.